Hello children, welcome to AIMS India online classes. Biology session. So far we have studied about the cell structure and functions. In this topic we discussed about the different cell organelles and also about the cell theory. So let us discuss the first assessment, which includes level 1 questions. Primary cell structure are studied under which microscope? Compound microscope. Means the microscope which we use in the science laboratory. So same compound microscope we are going to use for studying the primary cell structures. So internal structure of the cell can be studied under electron microscope. The outermost covering of the animal cells, outermost covering means the cell outer layer. Outermost covering of the animal cell is cell wall, plasma membrane, nuclear membrane, nuclear envelope. Okay, it is plasma membrane. So these are the questions, very simple questions which from the regular textbook itself. Okay, so cell wall is present in the plant cells. We discussed about the difference between plant cell and animal cell, and we also discussed that prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Okay, you have to recall the nuclear envelope is the term which we come across in the eukaryotic cells. The nucleus is covered by means of a double membrane layer. It is called nuclear envelope. Next, cell membrane or plasma membrane is made up of lipids, proteins, cellulose. It is lipids and proteins both. Next, identify the selectively permeable membrane. What is the meaning of selectively permeable membrane? Selectively permeable membrane means the membrane which permits only certain substances to pass through it. It is called a selectively permeable membrane. So here the options given are cell wall, cell membrane, tonoplast, nuclear membrane. So cell wall is present in the plant cell, tonoplast is covered by means of the vacuoles are covered by tonoplast membrane, nucleus is covered by nuclear membrane, and the cell membrane is present both in plant cells and animal cells or all living cells. Cell membrane is present. So selectively permeable membrane is cell membrane, or it is also called semi-permeable membrane. Cell wall is present in animals, humans, plants, zooplanktons. Zooplanktons means some microscopic larvae of insects come under this zooplankton, which float on the stagnant water, the ponds, ditches, lakes. So here the cell wall is present in the plant cells. Next, nucleus was discovered by Robert Brown. Robert Hooke discovered the cell. Leeuwenhoek discovered the bacteria. Schwann studied the animal cells. It acts as cell's control room. Means which of the following organelle acts as cell's control room? Cell membrane, nucleus, mitochondria, nucleolus. So it is the nucleus. Nucleus acts as cell control room. This part of the cell bears genetic information, or the genetic information in the cell is located or present in which of the following organelles? Nucleus, nucleolus, ribosomes, Golgi complex. So it is the nucleus which contain the chromatin material in the form of thread-like structures, that is nothing but genes, which contain DNA, genetic information. Identify the prokaryotic cell from the following: bacterium, cyanobacteria, the paramecium. Among these, the paramecium is eukaryotic, so the bacterium and cyanobacterium, they are prokaryotic. What are prokaryotic? Nucleus is absent. Prokaryon, primitive nucleus or nucleus is absent. Such organisms are called prokaryotic cells. Next, this participates in intracellular transport. Intracellular transport: endoplasmic reticulum, lysosomes, Golgi complex, and ribosomes. So here endoplasmic reticulum, it acts as the intracellular transport system. Next, smooth endoplasmic reticulum helps in the manufacture of smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It lacks the ribosomes on its surface, so its main function is manufacture of lipids. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, protein synthesis. Okay. Rough endoplasmic reticulum helps in the manufacture of proteins. Next, in vertebrate liver, dash organelle plays a crucial role in detoxifying many poisons and drugs. What is that process called? Detoxification. The detoxification is done by smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum present in the liver, which detoxifies. What is the meaning of detoxification? Conversion of a high poisonous substance into low poisonous substances. So it is one of the important function of liver. It is carried out by smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Next, suicidal bags of the cell. Which of the cell organelles called as suicidal bags of the cell? Lysosome, ribosome, nucleosome, Golgi complex. So it is lysosomes. So why they are called suicidal bags of the cell? Because the lysosomes are only the organelles which are active even after the death of the cell. They are bag-like structures filled with hydrolytic enzymes. So after the death of the cell, lysosomes release those digestive enzymes and destroy the cell. That's why they are called suicidal bags of the cell. The number of mitochondria present in each cell, approximately, this is 100 to 200, 150 to 300, 100 to 150, or 100 to 300. So it is 100 to 200. So based on the requirement, the number of mitochondria in the cell may varies. That is, the cells which require more energy production, those cells contain more number of mitochondria. Okay, let us proceed. The powerhouse of the cell are. What is the meaning of powerhouse? Where the energy is produced. In the cell organelle which produce energy is lysosomes, mitochondria, ribosome, or vacuole. Which cell organelle? Mitochondria. So these mitochondria are called bioplasts. They are powerhouses of the cell. The energy in the form of ATP is produced by the oxidation of digestive food materials which reach the cell. In the presence of mitochondria, the enzymes present in the mitochondria will participate in the oxidation and release energy. In which form? In the form of chemical energy, that is ATP, adenosine triphosphate. So hence mitochondria are called powerhouse of the cell. What is the primary function of chloroplasts? Chloroplasts are generally present in the plant cells. So what is its function? Respiration, photosynthesis, nutrition, transport. The chloroplast involves in photosynthesis. As they contain chlorophyll, they participate in the photosynthesis reaction. A photochemical reaction takes place in the chloroplast called photosynthesis. Cell theory was proposed by two scientists. Here the scientists given are Schleiden, Schwann, Rudolf Virchow or Rudolf Virchow. So it was Schleiden and Schwann proposed the cell theory in which year? In 1839. According to cell theory, what is the definition of cell? Cell is considered as the basic structural and functional unit of all living organisms. Next, who observed cell division for the first time? Rudolf Virchow, Robert Hooke, Hugo de Vries, Robert Brown. So here the different scientists are given. Robert Brown discovered the nucleus. Hugo de Vries proposed the mutation theory. Robert Hooke discovered the cell, and it was the Rudolf Virchow who studied the cell division and stated that new cells are formed from already existing cells or pre-existing cells. Omnis cellula e cellulae. The meaning of that sentence is new cells are formed from pre-existing cells. It was stated by Rudolf Virchow, and he modified the cell theory and named as modern form of cell theory, in which this statement is also included. What is that statement? New cells are formed from pre-existing cells. The fluid inside the nucleus is known as, the fluid inside the cell is known as cytoplasm, protoplasm, okay, nucleoplasm. It is nucleoplasm. Proteins are formed in the apparatus, the cell organelle, which involves in protein synthesis. Golgi bodies, nucleus, plastids or ribosomes. Which organelles are called protein factories of the cell? Ribosomes. So option D. Next, the root hair absorbs water by the process called, root hairs of plant absorb water by process called osmosis, diffusion, plasmolysis. So it is the osmosis. What is osmosis? Can you define osmosis? Osmosis is a physiological process in which two different solutions are separated by means of a biological membrane. The movement of molecules or ions takes place from low concentration to high concentration until the concentration becomes equal on both sides. So, or we can also define different definitions are there. The movement of solvent molecules or the movement of water molecules, which takes place from low concentration to high concentration through a plasma membrane or semi-permeable membrane until the concentration becomes equal, until the concentration attains equilibrium. It is called osmosis. Why it is called a physiological process? Because it is involving a biological membrane, plasma membrane. The opening and closing of stomata is due to sunlight, plasmolysis, osmosis, diffusion. So here also osmosis. So the stomata guard cells, the stomata are surrounded by two kidney shaped cells called guard cells. They become turgid and flaccid depending upon the conditions. In the dry conditions they become flaccid, in the wet conditions they become turgid. So the turgidity and flaccidity will help in opening and closing of stomata. So during a hot day the stomata will close to prevent the loss of water. So this is the where the stomata are present, in the epidermis of the leaves. Okay. So what is that process? Transpiration. What is transpiration? Loss of excess of water from the plant in the form of water vapor through stomata of the leaves is called transpiration. Okay. The functional segments of DNA are called, what is DNA? Genetic material. What is the full form? Deoxyribose nucleic acid. So functional segments, where this DNA is present? In the nucleus, isn't it? So functional segments of DNA are called RNA, ribosomes, chromosomes, genes. So the structural and functional unit of heredity, they are called genes. Okay, the functional segments of DNA are called genes. Actually in the nucleus, the chromatin material, chromosomes are present. On the chromosomes these genes are present. Okay, these genes are nothing but the segments of DNA which carry the hereditary information. Okay, right, all the functions of the cell depends on that information only. Next, the plastids which are colored green and colorless are known as, they are respectively known as, the plastids which are colored green and colorless. First, colored ones are called chromoplasts. The green plastids, they are called chloroplasts, and the colorless plastids are called leucoplasts. So here the which is the right option? Chromoplasts, chloroplasts, leucoplasts. Okay, all the options are containing same, but here respectively one after the other. Okay, first colored plastid chromoplasts, second green plastids chloroplasts, and third leucoplastids colorless plastids. A is the right option. Next, cell organelles found only in plants. Which cell organelles are present only in the plants? We discussed this difference between the plant cells and animal cells. There are three basic differences are there, among which the important differences are presence of cell wall and plastids in the plant cells and their absence in the animal cells, and presence of centrioles in the animal cells which are absent in the plant cells. So here the cell organelle found only in plants, the four options are Golgi complex, mitochondria, plastids, ribosomes. So here the answer is plastids. Okay, the green pigment chlorophyll present in plants, in which part of the plant cell? Chromoplast, chloroplast, ribosome, lysosome. So the green color pigment, green plastids are called chloroplasts. So it is present in the chloroplasts. Where these chloroplasts are present? In the green parts of the plant. What are the green parts of the plant? Leaves. Okay, leaves are called the food factories of the plant. So how they manufacture food? With the help of this chlorophyll pigment only. In which process? Photosynthesis. Okay, so the green pigment chlorophyll is present in the chloroplast of the plant cells. Next, the bright colors of ripened fruits are due to The bright colors of ripened fruits are due to which plastids? Leucoplasts, chloroplasts, amyloplasts, chromoplasts. They are chroma means colors, colored plastids. Different colors of pigments are present. Okay, for example, yellow pigment, xanthophylls, red color pigments, carotenoids, like that. The different colored pigments are present in the plants. Brightly colored parts of the plant. What are the brightly colored parts of the plant? They are flowers and fruits. So flowers and fruits contain chromoplasts, which impart bright color. So indirectly they are helping the plant in pollination, okay, attract the insects and animals for the dispersal of seeds. Okay, leucoplasts are white plastids, chloroplasts are green color plastids. Amyloplasts means the plastids which store proteins, they are called amyloplasts. Next, the plant cell is differ from animal cell because of, here the four options are given: the presence of cell wall and absence of chlorophyll in plant cell, the presence of cell wall and chlorophyll in plant cell. The first option is presence of cell wall and absence of chlorophyll. The second option is presence of cell wall and chlorophyll in the plant cell. The third option, the absence of cell wall and the presence of chloroplast in animal cell. The fourth option, the absence of cell wall and presence of chlorophyll in plant cells. So here what is the correct option? The second option, presence of cell wall as well as chlorophyll in the plant cell. In which of the following cell organelle both the photo and thermochemical reactions occur? In which of the cell organelle both photo and thermochemical reactions occur? Lysosome, chloroplast, mitochondria, ribosome. It is chloroplasts. Okay, the sunlight, some heat, thermochemical reaction, the chemical reaction which takes place in the presence of heat. Photochemical reactions, the chemical reactions which occur in the presence of light. Okay, both photo and thermochemical reactions takes place in the chloroplast during photosynthesis. Next, the site of cellular respiration is nucleus, ribosome, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum. Cellular respiration, the respiration which takes place inside the cell, that is nothing but mitochondria, which is called the powerhouse of the cell. What is the actual definition of respiration? Simple definition is exchange of air, that is taking in of oxygen, giving out of carbon dioxide. But actual definition, true respiration, is the process during which the oxidation of assimilated food materials to release energy is called respiration. That is cellular respiration, which takes place in the mitochondria. In leaves, photosynthesis takes place in, again, mitochondria, ribosomes, chloroplasts, lysosomes. It is chloroplast where photosynthesis takes place. Next, the branch which deals with the study of cell structure and function is known as, the branch of science which deals with the study of cell structure and function, it is known as histology, ecology, morphology, cytology. It is cytology. Cyto means cell, logos means study. Study of cell is called as cytology. Next, the presence of which carbohydrate is regarded as an evidence of photosynthesis? The confirmation test. In 7th class also you have studied. So, which of the material is the end product of photosynthesis? Starch, insulin, fructose, lactose. So, starch. Identification of the starch test. So, what is the reagent used in the identification of starch test? Iodine. When iodine is added, it turns into deep blue color, which indicates the presence of starch. Okay, this test is performed in the evening time. We can detach the leaf and perform this test to confirm the photosynthesis. The smallest cell organelle is lysosome, dictyosome, polysome, monosome. It is monosome. Mono means single, zome, it is a ribosome actually. In bacteria, polysomes are present, that is group of ribosomes. Okay, so monosome is the smallest cell organelle. Lysosomes are reservoirs of fat, RNA, secretory glycoprotein and hydrolytic enzymes. So as we studied that lysosomes are bag like structures which are filled with different enzymes, group of hydrolytic enzymes. Okay, thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates.